Need to replace your sink faucet unit fixture? I'll walk you through the steps on how to replace it, okay? Next on Lookin OK. Yeah, I got a leaky faucet here, so I'm replacing it, okay? Let's go. I chose this wind mirror by the Delta Faucet Company. It's got water senses. I guess I need a wrench, pliers, masking tape, and toothpaste, and some hoses. I went with brushed on aluminum. Everything looks in order. Directions? Psst. Shut off the water supply valve. No water? I'm using a pipe wrench on these sink hose bolts. Remove the water hoses. Now the sink faucet fixture bolts. As they say in France, out with the old. Now to disassemble the water pipe tubing under the sink. Put toothpaste around the sink drain collar. Toothpaste will dry to form a hard cement type seal. I use Colgate, which I believe is industry standard. Now I assemble new sink drain tubing assembly. Make sure it's tight. It's imperative to have a tight seal to ensure a water leakless thing. Attach sink faucet mounting bolts. Reattach your hot and cold water supply hoses and tighten them up. Adjust drain plug rod mechanism. I'll just tighten up all those water tubes and stuff under there. Now turn that water supply back on. Let the water flow. Reap the fruits of your labor. Whoop. Anyways, looks good. Job well done. Thanks for watching. Bye.